Hello again, Pietro here. So, guess who just knocked at the door? You know, knock knock. It was the UPS guy. And he brought me a new toy. I love new toys. So we're currently filming on the Insta360 One RS twin camera. And I thought it'd be fitting, well, if I'm gonna open another camera, maybe it's an action camera, I should probably film on an action camera. There's gonna be a little echo in here, my apologies, and some crumbs from last night's dinner. But the big question is, what's in the box? This and that. This is the OSMO Action 3 camera. And this is a little mount that clips on. Maybe it came inside. Maybe I got an extra one. I don't know. But this is the magnetic adapter mount for the Action 2. But this is the Action 3. That's weird. Why'd they send me that? I think we should open it up. Yes. Okay. Is there a little easy open? Yes, there is. No, there's not. We're gonna need a knife. See, this is why I normally do all my unboxings in my office, because that way, left a light on. That way I have everything there and I don't need to worry about stuff like this, because that's where I do my unboxings. But I'm on a quick lunch break doing regression testing, which means another release, but that's all good. That's all good. All right, here we go. Hi, Chex. You want to say hi? Look who joined the show. Hi. Do you want to do the unboxing with me? Can you hold a knife for me? Can you hold a camera? Do you want to go outside? No, he just wants to go on a walk. Tell you what, we're gonna take this new camera for a walk, okay? Here goes nothing. Make a small incision. Now, I never know if I'm going to keep or sell something. I like to keep the packaging as nice as I can. So this is the outer shell. I don't remember how much this was exactly. Little tab right there. So I have to get the saran wrap off. Blip. Okay, you're going to want to see this. Whoa. There we go. We got the DJI MIM app. We'll download that. This is the cool battery charger that it comes with. Oh, that is cute. That is cute. What do you think, puppy? Huh? What do you think? Can we mount this on your dog collar? Do you need to go outside now? All right. You changed your mind after all, eh? Run free. We have something. We have a silicone do not eat. We have, this is the accessories. Holy cannoli. Cool. We have this mount right there, which looks a lot like, so we can take two of them. This mount, which, stick them. Little case. Yeah, I can use my knife. Oh, and it comes with another little lens cap thing. Take that off. Oh, that's nice. And take this off. There we go. That opens up the battery. Nice. Look at that. It comes with 3 batteries. Let's see what kind of charge. That is so nice. So much better than some other companies. And this is waterproof to a certain depth. And then right here we have, so these are not omnidirectional. Boom, now it's clipped in, and then just like that. I must say that GoPro somewhat pioneered the mounting system. Okay, so this is a nice hard plastic, but it's not metal. The bolt is. That looks pretty cool. I wish it came with a lens cap, but it does come with this little protector thing, so that's nice. Let's try it on. Yes, English. Oh, I need to scan the QR code. Gonna have to do a little setup here. This will take a little bit. Yes, I'm gonna close the knife, Malakwa. Click. Well, that was fun for a bit, but we're back on the Samsung Z Flip 4. Hopefully it doesn't overheat this time. I just spoke with Samsung, sending this back to the factory. It overheats when I'm filming in UHD, 4K, 30 frames, 60 frames per second, whatever the default is. Anyway, I really liked about the Insta360 is I can connect a USB-C cable to a USB-C on my Mac and boom, quickly port over 12 gigs of data in less than 1 gig per minute. It's really fast and it doesn't overheat. This thing has been a champ, and that's what I'm hoping for the Osmo. That's what I'm hoping. You know what's fun? Wearing more than one watch. 3 watches, 4 rings. I'm done. I'm maxed out. But 2 action cameras, that's going to be good. So we got it charged and came with the charger in the box right there. And I forgot this came in the kit. It's a... Yes, that's cool. Telescoping. Whoa! That's pretty rad, actually. So we can just clip this on like so. Whoa! Yeah, that's... What is that? I could film a fly on my ceiling while I'm at work. I've never had one of these. One of these selfie poles or action poles. And then, whoops. Always make sure it's clicked in. Somehow it got clipped out. Love that you can charge 3 at once. That's a beautiful thing. So to set this up, all we have to do is open up the DJI app. I should just have to turn this on. This will come on. It'll have a QR code. There we go. Osmo device found. There we go. Connection requested. Has right there the code. And then it has on the thing, accept. Connection timed out. No response from DJI device. Okay. Connect. That was weird. Accept. There we go. Activate Osmo Action 3. Get Osmo next. Please activate after login. I have to no, I already did log in. Hang on, I have to log in again. So many logins, so little time, and I don't remember my login. Activate Osmo 3. Keep the app open and do not close it. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Ooh, camera's off. No. That little thing was telling me to turn it back on. So it times out. Love the front facing, love the rear facing. Congratulations, your new device is activated. Get started. Bonus instruction, sweet. Shutter record button, press once to take photos. Yep. Okay, hang on. I better read this. Press once to take photos or record. Press and hold to enable snapshot when camera is powered off. Awesome. Quick switch button. Press once to switch between